This is the Crosman Pump up. To remove the barrel top, you need to remove this small 50 thou Allen screw and this slotted screw at the back. We get the 50 thou Allen key and you can unscrew it. If it's tight, make sure it don't slip, because you could end up rounding it off because it's only 50 thou. The later ones might be 1.5 mil, but so far all of them have been 50 thou because they're American and they use imperial parts. Right, so you're unscrewing it, making sure the bolt is back. That looks like it's undone. Put that to one side, uncock it, the safety off and pull in the trigger. So the safety's off, hold the bolt back, hold the trigger back and slowly release the spring forward. Then we put the screwdriver in the top and unscrew the back. As you do that, hold the back end in because the spring for the hammer is there. Takes a bit of the load off, but it's held in by the screw underneath. And when you tilt this to one side, because you've got a bit of movement from the front, you can lift it up. There you can see the transfer port, long side facing upwards, and then hold the barrel like that and just slide the back off. The barrel will now just pull out. What I like to do is to set it up so when you put the pellet in, it just clears the transfer port. Here I'm holding it up so you can see the size of the transfer port. The transfer port, when I measured it, inside is about 4 mil. I can get it up to there. About 4 mil. So the transfer ports we do are 4 mil. This is the one that come out, it's a small one. And the one we do is that one with a much bigger hole in it. As is 4 mil, the standard one here might not be able to measure it, but I'll get an idea. Yeah, it's about 2.2 mil. Turn it so you can see it, 2.2. And my one is 4. 0.99, 4 mil. So to put it back together, you put the barrel back in the breech, pull the bolt back, and then we use the small transfer port because I'm not too sure what the power would be with it at the moment. I'll put the small end in first, the short end. And then line the underside up. Get it low, push the bolt forward a bit so the bolt can go down, line up the underside and the barrel, and then hold it on Rotate the barrel backwards and forwards so it lines up with the transfer port and locks into the transfer port. That looks like it. You can see by the side it's level. So now look through the top to make sure it's lined up. Yep, looks lined up now. Start it off. Again, try and hold it so you can see it. Don't over tighten it. Just coming up a bit firm there, so I'll leave it like that. Then we'll put the back side in with a rear screw. With a slotted screwdriver, tighten that up. When that's tight, just go again with the small one at the front. Right, so the back one held on, just get a screwdriver. I normally push the back end in as well to make sure it lines up. Right, now I'll check the Allen key again. Just check that the Allen screw's firm. That's it, don't want to do it too tight. Make sure the safety's off, hold the bolt back and uncock it. And that's the transfer port changed. It'll be the same on the 2240 and the 2250 rat catcher and the 2240 rat buster CO2 pistol. Cock it, fire it, give it a pump, cock it, fire it. That's okay.